somebody is telling follow up. So let us give a big hand to time management. Time. Every one of us should pass a command in the morning as well as by end of the day. The morning command should be prepared, be ready, move with the time, utilize me, otherwise I will go away. I will never return back. Imagine who says time. Utilize me as much as possible. Your papa is giving you 5 lakhs rupees in a day. Imagine. Oh wow, everybody is saying wow. What to do? My God, jumping, dancing, eating, all eateries in the Tungur. Maybe half day break, skipping and land to Bangalore. Oh wow, what a life. Somebody is asking, sir, you had such experience, 5 lakhs in a day. Maybe right before the seminar, I got a story, the same thing. Almost 3 to 4 lakhs rupees in a day. A student in Bangalore spent every day. Imagine what type of parents. Indian Bill Gates, unknown Bill Gates. Where they live. What formation they give. We come to die, my friend. We forget. We forget again and again. And some of you told silently, sir, we will skip this subject. The most important subject in your attitude formation. The time is commanding you. I am worth 10 lakhs. I am worth 10 lakhs in a day. You utilize it. You utilize me. Otherwise, I will go away. Everybody was excited, sir. 5 lakhs rupees in a day. 10 lakhs rupees worth the time stands beside you and tell, utilize me, otherwise I will go away. Have you ever noticed that a day or in a time in your life, you felt, time, please come back. It is not enough. I need more time. Have you ever felt any time? You felt, I know. Every one of you might have felt, hey, I want a little more time that day. Yes or no? So remember, invisible, but stands beside you. You have the ability, you have the talents, utilize. Everybody, every one of your destiny is made in time. Which piece all of us wish to skip sometime. We forget. We don't give value at times. We forget and we don't give value. But always it is with us. Mama, Papa, brother, sister, they are not with us always. but the time is there always with us. We were taught time is money. Wherever I travel, wherever youngsters I address, some I used to find disorganized. And I never felt bad. Younger age, youngsters' life, little bit disorganized. Fact of the matter, my daughter used to tell sometime, Papa, fact of the matter, fact of the story, important message of the lesson. One day, hardly 11 years old, she told me, Papa, you know children right? Child right? Back from school, imagine. So you discuss child right in school? Yes. You shall not beat your child. You shall not shout at your child. 11 years old child is coming. See, having fun, but that is okay. But imagine, my time. Time is money. The greatest thinkers, the greatest philosophers. Tomorrow, you will stand in a college auditorium. You will be addressing thousands or 2,000s to 5,000s of people, telling them, yeah, utilize the time. It is equivalent to money. So you just imagine, you forgot, you never utilize time and you lose money. You keep two baskets. One time utilized basket, one is time never utilized. End of the day, end of the week, end of the month, end of the year, you check the basket. You will find, if time is money, the basket which you are depositing money by utilizing time, again it gets related to your winner. You are the most dearest person if you lost forever in life. You wish, I need him back, I need her back. Possible to get back? No. I want my aspired Papa back. I want to tell him that I love you, I care you. I want to show my colorful certificate. But when he was with me, I was a nonsense. I never studied. I did all types of extracurricular activities. I spoiled his money. I gave him lot of headache. What it means? Again, time stands. My school teacher gave me timetable. My hostel warden gave me timetable. I used the whitener. I'll tell you, I use whitener in so many places. You know where? Morning little bit to this and that is okay. Rest all, whatever warden has written, I use whitener. I don't want to follow. What I wrote there, not what warden gave me. I filled in so many things by using whitener. That was not related to my time management. Schooling days over. Time managed students are out colorfully. Who followed the timetable of the warden? People like who used the whitener used their own programs. Went out of the school, but no colors. We all, individually again I tell you, all of you, remember every day, time is given to us. All our professors, parents, teachers, colleagues, friends, brothers, sister, father, mother, society. Everybody reminds us, hey, you do that, you do this. Utilize it. Once your results are out, don't regret. Don't go to your concerned people and tell, sir, please give me, sir, one more chance. I will outperform, sir. You give me a chance. Chances doesn't wait, doesn't come if you don't utilize the time. Chances will be wrong. Wrong chances will come. There is a saying, best jobs are reserved. Best jobs are reserved for whom? For whom the best jobs are reserved in companies. Yes, someone already gave. The best performers. For, in simple terms, for the best people, the best jobs are reserved. So what we should do with time? We should utilize it. We should utilize the time. Yes or no? So all of you, my friends, utilize the time. But it is so silent, you imagine. It is always with you. It is always with you. Only thing is you utilize it. Remember the examination hall. Remember the examination hall. Strict time is followed. You have written the answer, you have not written the answer. Answer sheets are collected back on time. Yes or no? No, he's my friend. Okay, do one thing. You go that side, sit down, write another half an hour. Possible? No. Most of the examination hall is having audio, video, all these things. No partiality is allowed in examination hall. Learn. My friends, all of you, I tell you, learn the habit of managing time. When my warden or my LKG teacher gave me timetable. Have you ever heard about timetable? Timetable you have not seen, huh? Some of you have seen and some of you are telling, yes, sir. Yes. But anyway, you have seen, I have seen it. Let us have at least, I request these college students, everybody try. You may fail. I know, college days, sir, we don't want time. Already someone told me that we don't want time. But I suggest to you, you prepare your own timetable. Those tables should be from morning till evening, what all things you should do, what all things you should do, and all good things should be listed there, and it should be framed in time. So what happens, I will tell you, if you have such type of, you tell my name also. So I am telling to Srinivas, same thing. This is not the time for watching movie or passing SMS. This is the time to listen. What is all about time management? Yes or no, Srinivas? So, to the both the section of what I suggest to you, time management will make you very successful. I'll give you an example before we go for lens. In 8 o'clock in the morning, you see 8 o'clock in the morning, usually youngsters, somebody is telling, sir, don't tell. 8 o'clock, sir, we will be sleeping. Now he will tell, you should be studying. Anyway, I am not going to tell studies. 8 o'clock was the office time. Oh, Hindustan में 15 मिनट, 10 मिनट, 5 मिनट, वो ज़्यादा नहीं है. Yes or no? 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, what it makes? The company concerned people came forward. They reminded us, my time is 8. My office time is 8. You want to be in? No chance. What is that? No chance. You report 2 minutes before 8 o'clock or at 8 o'clock. Otherwise, the door is going to be closed. You just imagine a guy from States, he was managing. He used to be there in the company head office 7:30, 7:15 or 7:45, by 8 o'clock is the time. And he used to wait to catch latecomers. Like you people, someone sitting murmuring, what is this? 8-5 means what is the problem? Huh? Ever will come down or what? Hello? 8-5, 8-10 means a big problem? It's not a big problem. My friends, I'm telling you, 2 people were kicked out in 1 week. And one of my friends, he was sitting crying like anything. I felt very sympathetic. I asked him, see, I start again going on exactly one time. He used to come 8-5, 8-10, 8-5, 8-10 continuously again and again. He was thrown out, fired out. I asked him what was the reason. You know what he used to tell? I love my sister so much. I pick up, I drop, I pick up. This is the thing I do in the morning. The same appeal I took to the company concerned people. They told me what? Oh, very good. Okay. From tomorrow, you come from 8:10, 8:15, 8:20, no problem. What the company manager might have told? No job. Give a big round of hand. 300 people, they don't have sisters, they don't have brothers, they don't have papa, mummy. Yes. 298 people will come with these stories. How will I run my company? How will I teach you time management? Get out. Get out. Imagine, get out.